Hello, welcome to our channel Medical Wala. Let's start the video. Cubipro Protein 100% Whey Powder is sugar-free and helps in digestion as well as boosts immunity. It is available in a tasty vanilla flavor and also prevents the deterioration of muscles and tissues. Cubipro powder is an ideal nutritional supplement to help fill up the protein gap in your daily diet. It can be consumed by growing children and adults. Manufacturer and market by Fresenius Kabi India, available in 200 gram, 400 gram and 1 kilo. MRP, 997 in 400 gram. Benefits: enhances immune function by increasing glutathione levels. Reduces oxidative stress and muscle fatigue. Beneficial in lowering cholesterol and blood glucose. Good for maintaining gastrointestinal health. Suitable for diabetic people. High protein supplement. Provides 25 vitamins and minerals. This is a vegetarian product. Side effects: Cubipro may cause nausea, vomiting, an upset stomach, headache, skin rashes or allergic reactions. You must never consume too much of it and check the ingredients before consumption. Ingredients: gum acacia, zinc sulfate, maltodextrin, 42% whey protein. The protein source is 100% whey, enriched with 5% dietary fiber, enriched with 25 vitamins and minerals, sugar-free and rich in fibers, vitamins, biotin, choline, trace elements, copper, manganese, iodine, low sodium content. Uses: Cubipro helps to maintain a healthy and active life. It is especially beneficial for the patients recovering from any illness, pregnant women, lactating mothers and growing children. How to use: you can mix, take Cubipro powder with a glass of milk or water. Drink 1 or 2 glasses a day for maximum effect. Take 200 milliliters of warm milk, water in a glass. Add 2 scoops 24 grams of powder. You may add sugar to taste. Stir until it is dissolved completely. Consume it immediately. You must take the powder if and as directed by your healthcare provider. Safety information: read the label carefully before using it. Keep it out of the reach of children. Store it in a cool and dry place. Use it under medical supervision. More information for subscribe the channel. Keep support us. Thanks for watching the video.